Bien cortito.
Okay, I'm back. Do you hear me? Well, ¿todo bien? Okay, so you were telling me, Marta, that you don't recommend me to going in January. Why?
Okay. In January, there are a cultural festival, and many people go to Alamos. And sometimes the access is closed. Then for 2 years, don't do or didn't the festival because the COVID. But this year, it was a festival.
There is going to be a festival. Okay, so I'll check the dates. Maybe it is after or maybe it is before. I don't know. I'll check it out. Okay, thank you. So now we're going back, and the last thing we did was working with want and would like. Do you remember? So we're gonna have a review of grammar want and would like. It says to practice the difference between noun and verb phrases, work together and make sentences in the first person with singular, first person singular with both want and would like the words below, with the words below. For example, I want some coffee. I would like some coffee. I want to take a shower. I would like to take a shower. So if you notice, when we have a noun, we don't need the to. When we have a verb, we need to add to. I want to take. Would like to take. I want some coffee. I would like some coffee. No to. For example, what are you gonna do? You are going to identify, here we don't have a space, so you will have to take notes maybe, or to identify the ones that are verbs and the ones that are nouns. For example, the first one, get married. Get married. Get is the first word in this phrase. Is it a verb or a noun?
Verb.
It's a verb. So it means that I will have to say, I want to get married, or I would like to get married. So, for example, some lunch. Is this a noun or a verb?
It's a noun.
It's a noun. So it means that I just have to add it. I want some lunch. I would like some lunch without to, right? So I'm going to ask you to please write 2 sentences for each of the phrases I have in here, one with want and the other one with would like. For example, I want to get married. I would like to get married. I want some lunch. I would like some lunch. Okay, I'll give you a few minutes for you to work with this. Practice, please, and tell me when you are done.
Okay.
Ready? Yes? Okay, so we have answered like the first one of get married and some lunch. Let's go with eat an apple. Eat an apple. Marta, can you tell me the two examples with one and would like with eat an apple?
I want to eat an apple.
And with would like?
I would like to eat an apple.
Very good. Okay, Edgar, be an artist.
Repeat, please.
Be an artist.
Okay. I want to be an artist.
And with would like?
I would you like to be an artist?
I would like to be an
I
artist.
would like.
Huh? Marta, save money.
I want to save money.
And with would like?
I would like to save money.
Very good. Okay, Edgar, speak to a doctor.
I want to speak to a doctor.
And with would like?
I would like to speak to a doctor.
Very good. Marta, some medicine.
I want some medicine, or I would like some medicine.
Very good. Okay. Edgar, practice the guitar.
I want to practice the guitar, or I would like to practice the guitar.
Very good. Improve, Marta.
I want to improve my English. I would like to improve my English.
Okay. Edgar, dinner.
I want to dinner, or I would like to dinner.
Okay. Remember when we have nouns, we don't use to. Cuando son sustantivos, no usamos el to.
Oh, cierto, perdón.
Más I want dinner or
I
I
want
would like dinner. Okay. Marta, a large cup of coffee.
I want a large cup of coffee, or I would like a large cup of coffee.
Very good. Okay, Edgar, quit my job.
Mm. I no say
Quit my job.
my job. I want quit my job. My job. I would like quit my job.
To quit my job. Mhm.
Quit my job.
Have a seat. Marta.
I want to have a seat. I would like to have a seat.
Very good. And the last one is stand. Edgar.
I want stand. I would like stand.
Stand, it's a verb. So,
I would like to stand.
to stand or I want to stand. The stand es pararse, right? Levantar, pararse, o sea, estar de pie. Okay, now it says in here, in a group of 3 or 4, so you're only 2, open the pages and take turns asking and answering the questions. What country would you like to go? And then you will be asking each other and answering, okay? I'm going to be mute and I'm going to be with the camera off for you to feel more comfortable. I'm just gonna open two rounds of questions because if we use them all, it's going to be too long and this was designed for more people. So we're just going to use 2 rounds of question, okay? So discuss these 3 questions between you, like ask each other these questions, and then we're gonna ask these other 3 questions, the same, you, like it's like you're having a conversation, and then we're gonna continue, okay? ¿Quedó claro?
¿Vamos a practicarlo o lo vamos a hablar ya?
Lo van a practicar, ajá, hablándolo aquí.
Okay.
Por eso yo dije, me voy a apagar la cámara y eso para que quede entre ustedes dos, yo nada más los escucho y ya cuando terminen, regreso.
Yo también lo apagué, ok. Edgar, what country would you like to go to?
I would like to go France, que París, no sé.
To see France?
France.
Okay. I would like to go to Panama. First.
Ok. A ver, ya me empecé a volar. Tú me preguntas, yo te pregunto la misma. ¿Sí? What country would you like to go to?
I would like to go to Panama. Would you like to go surfing sometime in the future?
Surfing. Surfing.
Yeah.
I won't. No, I won't. Surfing.
I want to go to surfing.
I want to go to surfing. Would you like go surfing sometime in the future?
I want to go to surfing. No. Do you want to learn Japanese or Chinese?
Yes, I would like learning Japanese.
Do you want homework tonight?
No,
No.
no, I want.
Okay.
Do you want homework tonight?
No, I don't want homework tonight. What time would you like to go to bed tonight?
I would like to go to midnight in 1 a.m. What time would you like to go to bed tonight?
I would like to go to bed at 10 p.m.
10 p.m. Sí, pues.
Which movie do you want to see?
I want to see Spider-Man. Which movie do you want to see?
I want to see Black Widow.
Ah, sí.
Okay, good job. Very good, guys. You are kind of more fluent. Yeah, you feel more comfortable. I just have something to correct, just one little thing. When we say, for example, here, where you were saying, would you like to go surfing? If the answer is no, then you say, I wouldn't like to go surfing. I wouldn't. Okay. Now, but the rest of you very good. I mean, you were answering the questions very well. Okay, now it says, what do you want to do? 12.1, and this is reading, I think it's reading. It says, this lesson is intended to be used as a review of grammar, want, and would like. So please go to the 12.1. What do you want to do? It's reading. Yes, it is reading. Okay, I'm going to share this activity with you. It's been shared. So now if we open it, it says, we are going to read about what 3 people want to do today. And then we're going to answer the comprehension questions under each text. So we're going to read it first, like both together. And then I will give you time for you to read it again and answer the questions, okay? So let's go and read the first one. Marta, can you help me reading this paragraph, please? this reading?
I want to go rollerblading because I love exercise and being outside in the sun and the fresh air. I don't want to stay home. I don't think it's very healthy. In my city, we have a big park where people go rollerblading and jogging. It's beautiful. Some people go there to exercise every day. Even when the weather isn't very good. The park's name is Stanley Park. You should join me sometime.
Okay, very good. Do you have any question about some of the words in here? Was it clear? Okay. Now we have about George. Edgar, can you read about George, please?
I want to go outside today and have fun, but I can't. I need to stay home because I have to fix my computer. It isn't working very well. Maybe I will have time this weekend to go outside. If I finish my computer, I would go swimming
Swimming.
swimming at the lake or goldfish with my friends.
Okay. Questions about the vocabulary used in this?
I will, cuando se dice I will o se...
I'll.
¿Eh?
I'll.
¿Eh?
I'll have time. I'll go swimming.
I'll. Okay.
Okay, I'll read about Trevor and Sarah. It says, yesterday I wanted to go surfing, but I didn't have time, so I really want to go today. I'm going to the beach today, but I'm not going alone. My friend Sarah is going to join me. It's her first time surfing. She's really good at both skateboarding and snowboarding, so I'm sure she will be good at surfing too. It's going to be a fun day. Questions about the words used in this paragraph? No? Okay, now I'll give you time. You tell me when you're ready. This is like for you to reread in case that you need to and answer the questions from each paragraph, okay? Tell me when you are ready, please. Did you finish? No? Okay, you tell me.
Listo.
Okay, let's go to the first one, the one of rollerblading, and it says in letter A. Why does Stacy want to go outside? Why? What is the reason?
Because she thinks it's very healthy.
She thinks it is very, okay. Okay. Do you have the same, Edgar? ¿Tienes lo mismo en la primera, Edgar?
No,
What
pero
do
no
you
está bien, o sea,
¿Qué tienes en el letter A?
because ya lo borré, because she's love exercise ¿no?
Sí, estaba bien, ¿eh? También. O sea, she thinks it is very healthy to be outside and she loves exercise.
Ujú.
She loves exercise. and being outside in the sun and the fresh air. ¿Eso tenías?
She love exercise nomás.
Ah, ok. Entonces también podemos agregar esto, ¿no? Porque es parte de la respuesta, pero a fin de cuentas, what you said, Marta, it is related, and what Edgar said, it is also good. Okay, letter B says, what do people do at a Stoney Park? Edgar?
The people rolling and jogging.
Okay. People go rollerblading
Jogging.
and jogging. Good job. Do you have the same, Marta? Yes? Okay. Now let's go with George. It says in letter A, what is George going to do at home today, Marta?
He needs to fix his computer. Or he.
Okay, do you have the same, Edgar?
Yes.
Okay. Letter B, what does George have to do before he goes swimming or golfing, Edgar?
Mm. He fixed the computer, fue lo único que se me ocurrió.
He has to finish his computer. Do you have the same, Marta? Yes? Okay. Now let's go with Trevor and Sarah. Did Trevor go surfing yesterday?
No, he didn't go surfing.
He didn't go surfing. Very good. Edgar?
Digo,
Why does Trevor think Sarah will be good at surfing?
because she good about skateboarding and snowboarding.
Okay, because she's really good at skateboarding and snowboarding. Very good. Do you have the same, Marta? Very good. Questions about this?
No.
No? Okay. Now we are going to go to contractions, and this is for writing. It says in here. This lesson is intended, again, to be used as a review of grammar and want and would like, but it says in here. In English, we can put two words together using a contraction. Así como me comentabas ahorita, Edgar, que cómo se leía como que con la apostrophe double L. Some contractions. Contractions are very common in speaking. They are not as common in writing. No son tan comunes en writing, al menos que sea texto informal. Con texto informal me refiero a mensajes de texto, o sea, WhatsApp, social media, or when you are writing to someone that, I don't know, a friend or something casual. But when we're talking about formal writing, for example, emails in your work or documents or papers related to your work or something more formal, we don't use contractions. No es que sean prohibidas, pero en este tipo de escritos, cuando ya son formales, hay que evitarlas, ¿no? Hay que evitar las contracciones. Pero cuando ya es formal, de que un texto o algo con un amigo or something like that, es completamente normal escribir con contracciones. Y al hablarlas, aquí sí es muy común. Ya sea formal o informal, es muy común utilizar contracciones. I don't know if you've noticed, but talking specifically about the American English, hablando específicamente sobre el inglés americano, hablan como que muy fluido, muy rápido y contraen mucho las palabras. Entonces, eso es lo que estamos tratando de hacer, ¿no? Comunicarnos utilizando un inglés americano. Entonces, ¿mande?
Se congeló, maestra.
Ay, pero si me escuchan.
Yo
Sí, nos
no.
quedamos.
Ah, ok, sorry. Bueno, por ejemplo, el I am se contrae con apostrophe am, I'm. Se lee como I'm.
I'm
You are, you are,
your.
your. He is, his, his. She is, she's, she's. It is, it's. We are, we're.
We're.
They are, they are. Es como que se quita la A y se lee tal cual, they are. I will es I'll. Se lee como L, right? I'll.
I.
You will, you'll.
You.
He will, he'll. She will, she'll.
Chill.
It will, it'll. This is kind of weird. Ill. Es que, ok, cuando lo leo solo sí suena raro, ill. Pero ya, obviamente, por ejemplo, si yo digo va a llover, it'll rain, ya no suena tan complicado, ¿no? It'll rain. We will. They will, they'll. Entonces la L es como they'll, will, eat. Would like, esta es muy común, se lee la D tal cual. I'd like, I'd like.
I,
You'd like,
you.
he'd like, she'd like, it'd like, we'd like, and they'd like. Entonces el would se contrae con una D y se lee la D solamente. I'd like, you'd like, he'd like, etc. Are not, pues aren't, is not, isn't, were not, weren't, was not, wasn't. Para las WH questions, tengo house, what's, when's, where's, and whose. Es una contracción del verb to be, específicamente del is. Cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, must not, mustn't, should not, shouldn't, will not, won't. O sea, la contracción del will en afirmativo es con el will, all, etc. Pero el negativo es won't. Do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't. Here is, here's. There is, theirs. That is, that's. Okay, you can take a look to these contractions in the 12.1 contractions. Y en realidad son muy comunes este tipo de contracciones que yo considero que ya deben de estar familiarizados, o sea, ya los han visto probablemente o utilizado también. Lo que puede ser un poquito a veces confuso es que cuando aún viendo las contracciones leemos las formas completas. Entonces sería acostumbrarnos a leer tal cual vemos estas palabras. Por ejemplo, si yo veo, supongamos, el would like, leerlo como tal. Would like, no decir we would like, porque no está la palabra completa. Entonces es cuestión nada más de practicar cómo se contraen estas palabras y cómo leerlas. Ok, vamos al ejercicio. It says 12.1 contractions. And here it says in here, write the following contractions in their long form. Lo primero que vamos a hacer es convertirlas, pero ahora de la forma corta a la forma larga. Consideren que como no estamos todavía con los tiempos perfectos, porque el apostrophe s también puede ser el has, pero ese ya es un perfect tense, todavía no vamos ahí. Entonces, por la mayoría del tiempo, el apostrophe s va a ser el is. Entonces, cuando vengo, por ejemplo, aquí hers, esto en realidad es her is. Entonces, igual, pueden estar checando en el material que tengo acá arriba para que estén buscando los equivalentes de los que no se sepan. Entonces, en la primera parte vamos a irnos de la forma corta a la forma larga, ¿ok? Primero hacemos esa parte y después continuamos, si nos queda tiempo, ¿ok? Let me know when you are ready, please. Ready, Edgar?
Okay.
Okay. Marta? Yes? Okay. She won't is a contracted form of
Will not.
She
will.
won't.
She will. She will not. Very good. You mustn't.
You must not.
You must not. Very good. This isn't.
This is not.
Very good. Whose?
Who is?
Who is? Very good. It wasn't.
It was not.
It was not. Okay. Whence?
When is?
When is? Very good. We aren't.
We are not.
We are not. Good. His?
He is.
He is. Good job. Would like.
We would like.
We would like. Okay. And she couldn't.
She could not.
Good job. Now it says in here, rewrite the sentences using contractions. Ahora vamos a hacerlo al revés. Tengo las versiones largas, las voy a hacer cortas. ¿Cómo voy a contraer o qué es lo que voy a contraer? Contraer, sorry, el verb to be o cualquier modal verb. O sea, el verb to be o los modal o los modales son los que se contraen. ¿Ok? Por ejemplo, where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Please work with this, and it's the last one. So please work with it and tell me when you are done.
Listo.
Okay. So well, we have the first one, letter A. Marta, please.
He'd like to go skiing next week.
He'd like, very good.
Oh.
Edgar, letter B.
We didn't go very far yesterday.
We didn't go, very good. Marta, letter C.
I don't want to eat salad for lunch.
Very good, I don't want. Letter D, Edgar.
They'll move
They'll-
to a different country.
Very good, they'll move. Marta,
It won't rain tomorrow.
it won't rain, very good. Edgar, letter F.
We aren't go to the library tonight.
We aren't going, very good. Marta, letter G.
I'd like to take a holiday.
I'd like to take a holiday, very good. Letter H, Edgar.
You mustn't take any photo here.
You mustn't, very good. Marta, letter I.
I'm not interested in fashion.
I'm not interested, very good. Letter J, Edgar.
That's an exciting movie.
That's very good, an exciting movie. And Marta, letter K.
I didn't practice the guitar.
I didn't practice, very good. Okay, questions about this?
No.
No, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna continue tomorrow then at the same time. Entonces le hacemos así. Ustedes me dicen si quieren el examen después de la clase del miércoles o se las aplico el jueves en la hora de la clase. So,
Sí, después de la clase maestra y nos dan unas horas. ¿Cuántas horas?
muy bien. ¿Han pensado en si van a tener un break o van a seguir?
Maestra, yo creo que vamos a tomar un break y continuamos en el...
Perfecto, muy bien, sí, porque me quedé pensando que se iba a terminar como el 10 de diciembre, yo creo, por ahí, y ya en esas fechas todos andamos de que ya,
No,
suficiente.
y desde ahorita el trabajo ya se nos cargó, pues, como ya es
Muy
final
bien.
de semana.
Ok, entonces terminamos el día miércoles con el examen y pues nos vemos mañana entonces.
Muy bien.
Bye,
Sí.
thank you. See you.